Hello everybody. So, as you know, in our last lesson, we took our time to get started on our Rhythm Ostinato project in BandLab. We started putting in some loops, we started getting some things going. Most of us made sure that we met the last requirement of the project, that our song was between 45 seconds and a minute and a half. Today, our goal is really going to make sure that we meet all of the requirements of the project. This is a graded project, and projects are worth 35% of your music class grade. So if we do not give our best effort and make sure that we do these things, that will harm your grade significantly. But don't worry, I'm going to make it very easy for you, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly the minimum that you need to do to get a full grade. And if you want, you can use the exact rhythm that I'm going to use right here, right now. So you can literally follow this video step by step, and I will take you through these requirements and make sure that we meet them. First, a BandLab virtual instrument is going to be used to create a repeating rhythm pattern. That's what we're going to do today. We're going to use a virtual instrument to create that rhythm ostinato. The repeated rhythm is going to repeat all the way throughout your entire song. And I'm going to tell a little bit more detail about what I mean there. And the repeating pattern has to be in at least 2 different instruments. So at some point, you have to break it up into a different instrument. If you want, you can pass it all around to tons of different instruments at different times. You can be as creative as you want. And of course, we already know about the time requirement. Make sure your song is not longer than a minute and a half, otherwise we won't be able to share it out. Going over to BandLab, this is exactly what you need to do. I have an empty project here just to make it very easy for us to see. I'm going to pull up an instrument. Now, it is easier if you are not a musical person to enter the notes this way than it is to enter them on the keyboard. To begin, I'm going to double click on the note that I want to put. And I actually clicked up here, but I put the note down here, so I'm just going to adjust that by clicking and dragging. And I'll just put in a couple notes. And okay, so there you go. That is a little rhythm pattern, and I'm going to show you how we're going to make it repeat. Okay, so very simple, right? It's if you think of it as the rhythms that we know, it's going to be a quarter note, and then eighth note, eighth note, eighth note, eighth note. But you don't even have to think about it like that. All you need to make sure is that you just have some pattern. And BandLab makes our life very easy, because how do you make it repeat? You just look for this wheel on the top and you start dragging, and BandLab is going to repeat it for you. Look at how easy that is. Now I already have 16 seconds, right? If I zoom out, I can start looping this, and I can basically just use this as one of the loops in my song. It's as simple as that. So now you have one loop. This is a loop that you made custom, and it's a part of your song, and it's a repeating rhythm. So let's listen to it. Okay, that's it. If you have this, you are in good shape. The only other thing that you need to do is remember this second thing here. The rhythm pattern is in at least 2 different instruments. Okay? What that means is that in order to get this into 2 different instruments, all that I need to do is at some point, I'm going to click Add Track. I'm going to add another instrument track. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to paste it in. I'll paste it over here so that they don't overlap. And all I need to do is click on this little icon right here, or I can also double click on the track. Let me bring this up so it's a little bigger. And I'm going to click on the instrument tab, and I can just change the instrument here. All the notes are going to stay the same, but the instrument is going to change. So I might go to a synthesizer, pick something like this, and as soon as I hit play, we're going to hear that it's going to switch between 2 different instruments. That is it, very simply. That's the requirement of the project. We have instrument A, instrument B. We have a repeated rhythm ostinato that we created. And you can imagine that you can start to add other loops to this, or you can add this to the loops that you already have, and you can fulfill the project. Just make sure that the rhythm that you create is an important part of your song, and it's repeating all the way throughout from beginning to end. Of course, if you want to have a little one measure break and do something like that, where you have a filler in the middle, that is totally fine. But those are the requirements of the project. Have fun meeting them today. Good luck.